Okay, this is a quick look at AddactionCoach.com. A couple things one, I wouldn't use Google Translate for my translations. One, they make errors and make mistakes, but two, we've got this bar that comes across here. If I close it, then what it's been doing is opening back up. It doesn't look like it's going to open now, but I've closed that thing like 3 times and it's reopened every time. Right here in the middle, this should be a hero image with a call to action that kind of guides me through exactly what you want to happen. This doesn't have a call to action. Is your college student ready for more? Reach out for more information. This is the language thing here. We've got home, about us, more. We've got a shopping cart here. I'm not sure. Maybe she's got some stuff for sale, but if we look, this should be the call to action. This should have an image that entices you, that kind of gets you to focus on the call to action and everything else. I would remove this picture. It's asking about cookies. There's no reason for this. I mean, there's nothing happening for it to be putting cookies on my browser. So, I mean, this isn't even needed. It shouldn't even be using cookies at this point because I haven't done anything. If we look right here, this call to action is just, it's not right at all. We've got a chat box here. Let me know if you have any questions, send a message, contact us. And now it's not going to go away, I guess. So, right, and then right here, we've got HTTPS, but then it says it's not a secured, connection's not secure. So I'm not sure why it's showing HTTPS if it's not a secured connection. Most of the time it would show HTTP and not the S, but it's showing the S, but then it says it's not secure. Forms, if we click on forms, we've got intake paper PDF, student coaching PDFs. We've got some PDFs here. This is powered by GoDaddy. So that's probably one reason the design's got so many problems. We've got some stuff here going on, but there's nothing, you can't click on it. It's just, we worked in, this is just showing what they're doing. And again, this link to GoDaddy that was down here in the footer, and this right here, what is this? This is some podcast. But if we look, we got a blog here, but the blog hadn't been posted on since 2019. And it would come, again, this GoDaddy, that's just bleeding link juice to GoDaddy, and GoDaddy is an off-topic site and everything else. I wouldn't have that there. I'm not sure. Maybe they're getting some type of free service or something, so GoDaddy puts that there. These links going, if you click on any of these links, and what would happen is that if Facebook or Instagram, if they've got ads for people who are in the same business and somebody's paying for those ads, then they're going to track the user coming from this website, and they're going to show ads for your competition. So one, you're wanting people to your website, so you want to get people from those services to your website. And two, you don't want to send people from your website to them, and you don't want to bleed the link juice that you could be using to rank your own site by linking back to them. We can book a phone consultation here. The blog hasn't been posted on since 2019. If you look right here, we try and run a test to see what Google sees on the website. We get an error immediately. I mean, it says it's unable to even resolve the URL. I'm not sure why it's doing that, but it's saying that this URL is not even any good. That the code is so bad on the website that they're saying that the W3C can't even validate the code. There's so many errors in the code on the website that there's no way to even validate it, so they can't even look at the website. You've got 23 ADA compliance errors. You've got 7 contrasting errors, which means that she could get sued and fined for the website not being ADA compliant. ADA compliant is part of the law, so it's against the law to have a website that's not ADA compliant, and you can get fined up to $50,000 per incident. She's got 23 errors and 7 contrasting errors. And to be ADA compliant, it's got to be W3C valid. If it's not W3C valid, there could be a coding error that's preventing the search engine from spidering it. It could be a coding error that prevents it from working correctly in a device. I mean, you've got, I mean, there's no way to build, it's like writing an article and not checking to see if you misspelled something. If you're a coder, if you're a professional coder and you write code, you should validate the code to make sure you didn't forget to close something or something else. We've got, now she is pasting over here on Facebook. So she's, on August the 13th at 7:56, she posted, July the 15th. So she's posting over here on Facebook, but she's not posting on her own website. And you know, you should be posting on your own. Your website should be set up that makes you want to post on it. I mean, even set it up so that you post on your website and then it posts on Facebook and it automatically posts on Instagram and all these other places. But not posting on your own website, you're helping Facebook build up their stuff, but you're not trying to build up your own stuff on your own website. Maybe have a membership thing over here, have a newsletter. I mean, there's so many things you could be doing with your own website to try and get people back to your website. And again, I'm not sure what were card is empty, browse services. I mean, and then when you click browse services, it comes back more. What is she selling? Children and teen coaching, parent helps, and these things you can't click on. So it says children and teen coaching, and we've got 3 little items here. Tutorial and education. This has got more information, but I'm not sure. I mean, she's got a shopping cart, but I'm not sure. And then now the menu. Okay, here's the menu again. And the thing is kind of slow and clumsy. We might have to click that twice. So we've got something going on over here, but I don't see what I'm able to buy. Maybe this stuff here, but it says that it's a download, and then I'm able to download it. I've got to, now if I've got to fill out this, I don't know why you wouldn't just do that on your website. It's got a PDF to fill out some content. This shouldn't even be a PDF if I'm filling out stuff here. So this is ADD Addiction Coach. Download student coaching survey. All these surveys and stuff could be done on your website. You don't need a PDF for this stuff. I mean, this stuff should be able to be done on the website and stuck in the back end. You got name and birth date, but no way to contact them. So if somebody does fill this out, it doesn't really do you any good because you can't contact them. I'd rather have their email than their name, just because then I could contact them. So the tool won't even run here. It's not ADA compliant. And she's been posting on Facebook. She's been posting on, or this is counted set to private. I don't know why. I mean, if you've got an Instagram account, it seems like you would have it public. If you wanted to have something private, you'd be better off having that on your website. You could have a private membership area. Maybe if you can get people to pay a membership fee. And again, she's posting over here on LinkedIn and Facebook and these other places, but she's not posting on her own website. Here's her writing an article on another website. This stuff should go on your own website first, and then, but you know, the problem is that the website is so poorly designed and set up, she probably doesn't want to post over here. What needs to happen is this website needs to be totally redesigned, and there needs to be an understanding of exactly what it is you're wanting somebody to do. For example, you've got these forms here. You could say, okay, the most important thing right here, the thing I want to know the most is most of the people that come to the website are parents. And I've got this parent coaching checklist, and I want them to fill this out. But of course you need their name. But you could set it up so when you land on the website, what you've got is a form for them to fill out, and then everything in this whole top area right here, all this stuff here, move this. I mean, if you want to translate it into different languages, translate it into the different languages and set it up correctly instead of using Google, because I've already closed this one time. I've closed it about 10 times, but I'm going to have to close it again. I guess every time I click on something and come back to the home page, it's going to open that thing up again. No, it's not opening now that I'm trying to, okay, there it is. So you're constantly having to come up here and click on this right here. And it's saying it's setting cookies, but the cookies aren't helping because it doesn't remember where I was at the last time. It's just kind of, we've got the blog articles, find out more, coaching in college time. And the whole website, and there's very few blog articles. Is this everything? I mean, we've got 6 blog articles and that's it. And if I click on these, what happens? It's a PDF, so everything goes to a PDF. All these things should be set up on your website, and you should be blogging on the website every day. I mean, you should be putting blog posts on the website, setting up the website, because this website's not set up to rank because of all the errors and problems. We've got next. So then this right here is going to walk. But if you notice, you got to scroll down here and click next, and then you got to scroll back up to see what it says. Then you scroll back down, click next, then you got to scroll. There should be a better way to set that up so that at least if you click on next, it should take you to the top so that you don't have to scroll to the top to see it. This website needs to be totally redesigned, set up correctly with goals and ideas and exactly what it is you're wanting to have happen. And when you test it in Google's own tool, you should be getting 100% on your test. I mean, can I test any of the pages in here? If we go to the About Us page, there's nothing on the About Us page. I mean, it's just some text. So, I mean, we've got a couple people on the About Us page. But if I put the About Us page on here, does this show up? Nope, none of the pages will work. So I'm not sure why nothing will work. I mean, Google's not able to get a reading on anything. I guess all the website's got so many errors in it that you can't even run tools on it to see what's happening. I mean, it's kind of that's bad if it's got so many errors you can't even check it. Yeah, I mean, everything you try, 500 can't connect to, it's saying it can't connect to the host name. Man, I don't know what's going on with this thing. This is a crazy little website here. I mean, GoDaddy should be ashamed of themselves for even building this thing. I wouldn't put my logo at the bottom or my link to my website at the bottom just because I wouldn't want anybody to know I designed something that wasn't designed correctly. So you need goals. You need to figure out exactly what you want to have happen. You need to be willing to blog on the website. I mean, 2, 3, 4 times a day. At least a day, one time a week. But I mean, if you could do 5 times a day, that would be better. The website's an older website. We know because if we go down here to the blog post, we can see that the last time the blog was posted on was, I think it said 2017 or 2019. So the website should rank. If you design this thing correctly, set it up so it's loading in milliseconds, and setting up the website with goals and figuring out exactly what you want to do and putting the content that you've got on these other websites that you've been posting on Facebook and these other websites. If you put this content on your own website, then you should be able to get this thing to rank and get some traffic and everything else. I doubt that she even knows how much traffic is getting just because it looks like it's kind of been neglected. And I would set up these PDFs to be forms that I'm trying to actually connect or get information from. I mean, it's just the whole thing needs to be designed and set up differently to make it work. And if you're selling something, I need to understand exactly what you're trying to sell and how you're trying to do that, because it's kind of confusing because I don't see what you're selling. And if I browse the services, this seems like it would take me to where the stuff for sale is. If I can't find the stuff for sale, it's got to be hard to sell it. So the first thing I would do is figure out what you're wanting the website to do, and then try and set up goals and exactly how you want to make money with the website and how you're wanting to make it work.